તીર્થ બેને ટચ ના કરીશ. કંકાળું. ડન અને ઓકે યસ.
Book name is Vikram Betal,
સાહેબ બધી બોલજો.
and there are 120 pages in this book. And then there are 33 chapters. And at the last, with red color, there is a summary written. A few of the chapters are like this: married to a right person, defending toward faith, story of a deer, and many more.
યસ.
And in the first chapter, there is one ghost killing Vikram Betal. Afterward, we go forward in this chapter. So we found a boy taking a mug type in his hand and talking with her mother or someone.
યસ.
And then then also forward in second chapter, there is one man with his child and many more men are gathered over there. And then
યસ.
the MRP for this book is 125 rupees.
યસ.
Most probably there would be a water or felt on it because it's must like that. And more in this series are Akbar Birbal tales, story of Akbar Birbal, Jataka's tales, etc.
યસ.
Its front outering is like this, that with red it's written most probably Vikram Betal. Then at the background there is a dark blue and the Vikram and the ghost.
યસ. બીજું કઈ તો સ્ટોરીઝ.
Stories. In the second story, it shows no. In first story there is that Vikram Betal, which has a fear of ghosts. So one night he found some ghost chasing him. Then he remembered the god, so they all vanished.
યસ.